Hi, YouTube viewers. Me, Reddy Suresh. Please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon. And today our topic is distance formula. Already yesterday we discussed coordinate geometry, coordinate system, how like having that coordinate system. Today our topic distance formula. Then how to find out the 2 points, distance between the 2 points. For example, observe that x-axis, horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called a y-axis. The two intersecting point is a origin. Already we know that. Let you have to take 2, 3 is 1 point, and one more 6, 5 is another point. Like having here 1 point, having here another point, here having distance between these 2 points. How we get that distance between the 2 points? Observe this example. Join the 2 points. Join the 2 points. Then see here, draw the one line perpendicular to x-axis from 2, 3, and also from 6, 5 draw the one more perpendicular line from x-axis. Then see here to origin to this point, let you have to take this is A, this is B. So here draw this one on perpendicular line from CD. This one. See, observe this one. Here O to A, the distance is, already we know that value is 2. Then origin to, the distance is 3. 3 not 6. Origin to B, that value is 6. And here, what is the distance between AD is 3. Distance between CB is 5. Observe this one. OB is the 6 centimeter, otherwise 6 units. OA is the 2 units. Then what about AB? See, observe this total length is 6. In that 2 units is removed that, then we get AB value. So 2 units in this 6 value removing, so that is 4. Then AB is the 4. AB is, this is denote that E. ED is a one rectangle. So AB is the 4. So DE also 4. And here observe this. AD is a 3 centimeter. So BE also 3 centimeter, because of already we know that this is a rectangle. So here you observe that BC is a 5 centimeter, BE is a 3 centimeter. So this 5 minus 3 is 2. So CE is a 2 centimeter. You observe that CED, triangle CED is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So from Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. We know the statement of a Pythagoras theorem. In this one, hypotenuse is a CD. So CD square equals to DE square plus CE square. So CD square equals to DE square. DE is the 4 square plus CE square, that is 2 square. So CD square equals to 4 square is 16 plus 4. So CD square equals to 20. CD equals to plus or minus root 20. So root 20 value, here we can write that CD equal to plus or minus root 4 into root 5. So CD equal to plus or minus 2 root 5. So CD value plus or minus 2 root 5. CD is a distance between 2, 3 and 6, 5. So here negative value is neglectable because distance is always we consider positive sign. So therefore CD equal to 2 root 5. This is distance between 2 points. How to find out the distance between 2 points? This concept only we can take it. We get formula. So same concept we can use in the coordinate system. We get formula. Let we have to take first. Let A x1 y1 one point and B x2 y2 another point. Distance between A and B. What is the distance between A and B? See, observe this. Here point A x1 y1 and point B x2 y2. Point A is x1 y1, point B is x2 y2. Then what is the distance between A and B? A and B. How to find out? See, same concept. Before example, join this one x-axis and the point A. Join this brother straight line, perpendicular line. This one and join this one. AB, this is C, this is D, this is E. Okay, so it is 90 degrees, so this is also 90. So what about origin to E? This is x1, origin to D point is x2. So what about the DE value? So big number this one, this is small number, this total removing means we get ED value. So that is the x2 minus x1. So this is ED is x2 minus x1. CA also x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. Now, here this AE value is y1, BD value is y2. So observe this one remove this CD part and the AE part, both are same here. So this is y1. So this one remove, then we get that BC value. So in the total value we can remove that CD value. So total value is y2. In that CD value remove in that y2. So that value is y2 minus y1. So we want now AB value. Before the concept same, we can use the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACB. ACB, it is a right angle triangle, we know that. Observe there. So ACB is a right angle triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem from Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. We know that statement of a Pythagoras. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. We know that concept. So AB square equal to that is hypotenuse. What is the longest side in a right angle triangle? That is called the hypotenuse. We know that concept, the definition also. So that is AC square plus BC square. So here see, observe AB if we want, so that is AB square, right? Like that only same. So AC square, what is the AC square? X2 minus X1 whole square plus BC square, Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So that square will become square root. We know that actually plus or minus square root. So here only we can take it plus positive sign only because of AB is a distance. Distance always we calculate positive sign. So negative sign is a neglectable here. So square root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. So distance, we don't know that in centimeters, kilometers, meter. So AB, this is a square root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square units. For example, say example, let we have to take A 1 point, same 2, 3, last concept that point only. B 6, 5, same to take it. What is the distance between A, B? See, observe that this is, let we have to take X1, this is Y1, this is X2, this is Y2. Okay, formula you can use that 6 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square, that equals to square root of 6 minus 2 whole square is 4 square plus 5 minus 3 is 2, that is whole square, that equals to square root of this is 16, this is 4, total is 20, that equals to 2 root 5, same value we get. So simply we can use this formula, distance of 2 points, distance of any 2 points. See here distance formula we know that any 2 points, note, so very important note here, what is the origin to any point? Origin to any point. Suppose origin we know that 0, 0, okay, and any point you can take it. A is X, Y, 1 point, any 1 point we can take it. What is the distance between origin to any point? So that value is origin to any point, that equals to same formula you can use there also. So X2, this is X is the X2, 0 is the X1, this is Y is the Y2, 0 is the Y1. So X2 minus X1, X minus 0 whole square plus Y minus 0 whole square. So that equals to square root of X minus 0 is X, that is X square, Y minus 0 is Y, so that is Y square. So origin to any point, square root of X square minus plus Y square units. So for example, origin 0, 0 and 5, 2, any point. What is the distance between these 2 points? So OA, distance between OA, square root of, simply we can write 5 square X square plus Y square, 5 square plus 2 square, that equals to 25 plus 2 square is 4, the total is 29, square root of 29 units. This is a distance formula. Thank you, students.